I get money, I'm a star, 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 star. I get money, I'm a star, 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 star. お金稼ぐ、俺らはスター。お金稼ぐ、私はスター。スター、スター、スター。
So I have to show you guys this new silky and smooth wig from Subella hair. Y'all, they sent me this blonde highlights HD lace front wig. You got, oh my God, y'all. It is a HD lace wig that comes with so many goodies. I actually don't know what happened to the footage, but they sent me some eyelashes, HD wig cap. You guys know the norm. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys two different hairstyles. I'm showing you guys a half up, half down with some bangs. And then I'm also going to go ahead and show you guys just a buzz down middle part. Y'all know, regular degler. I did go ahead and bleach the knots of the wig off camera. I will say the knots were a little hard to bleach, but that is my only con about this wig. The wig was very easy to work with, y'all. It was 26 inches long. A lot of companies don't like to send long and full wigs. Look at how full the wig is all the way to the end, you guys. I got a 250% density. So this is a lot of hair. Perfect for the fall time now that it's getting cold outside. And y'all know we don't need the braids anymore. This would be the perfect wig to transition back into wig installs, y'all. This wig was so beautiful. I did some plucking on one side, but I don't know, y'all. I just don't be wanting to pluck too much. So I just leave it the way it is, or I'll pluck a little bit. But this is how the wig looked. I was already in love with it. Y'all, like, I was going to say I can't wait to get old, but I'm lying. But gray hair is going to really look nice on me. So this black and 613 blonde highlight wig really slayed. A lot of you guys were on Instagram asking me where this hair is from. All you have to do is click the link in my description bar to shop with Subella hair. They really slayed. So I'm not going to talk you guys' head off. Thank you so much to Subella for sending me this gorgeous, oh my God, y'all, this gorgeous 26-inch wig. I was so in love with it, y'all. I ended up keeping it on for about 2 to 3 days. Then y'all know I had to switch out to another wig. But yeah, I highly recommend this wig. I will leave a link down below, like I said, if you guys want to shop with them. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll also leave all the products that I used link down below. So I love y'all and enjoy the music.
I get money, I'm a star, 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 star. I get money, I'm a star, 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 star. お金稼ぐ、俺らはスター。お金稼ぐ、私はスター。スター、スター、スター、スター。キラ、キラ、私はスター。You know who I am, ain't had to say my name. Stack it up like Tetris, but this money ain't a thing. Watashi kawaii, kalata. Drinking out the bottle, getting twisted, marijuana. Big exotic Hermes, this a crop. Watch too expensive, ain't no way I'm getting caught. I think I'm so sexy, every shirt I own is cropped. So many carats, diamonds through the bunny hop. US or Japan, if he meet me, he gon' bow. I got yen for your friends, if they pretty, bring them out. Pouring dumb and Madam Boo, pouring sake in they mouth. Told him put me on his plate, bring them chopsticks. I get money, I'm a star, 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 star. I get money, I'm a star, 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 star. お金稼ぐ、俺らはスター。お金稼ぐ、私はスター。スター、スター、スター、スター。キラ、キラ、私はスター。流れる星たちどこに向かう、また願い叶えながら暮らす。ジュエリー身につけたまま歌う、スターたちが集まったスタジオ。夜な夜な酒たくさん並ぶアジト、さっきまで六本木で収録ラジオ。そっからテレビ撮影するはしご、カメラたち追いかけてる俺たちを。大好きピカピカのダイヤ、暗いとこ輝いてる毎晩。Nice to meet you する挨拶 I'm so happy ありがたいな。 I get money, I'm a star, 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 star. I get money, I'm a star, 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 star. お金稼ぐ 俺らはスターお金稼ぐ私はスタースタースタースタースターキラキラ私はスター
The roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds to it, cause it slides in both ways. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she got a toys. She be coming for riders. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this road, we ain't gon' sleep and shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. What you can do, what you wanna dip, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be.
It's been too long, baby.
Till I die. You can do what you wanna dip, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face.
It's been too long, baby.
These days, no for my niggas be plastic. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, this life shit ain't all that. Blood and murder, ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, dip how you wanna, spin what you wanna be, who you wanna be.
It's been too long, baby.
Till I die. You can do what you wanna, dip how you wanna, spin what you wanna be, who you wanna be. I'm a stunner till I die.
It's been too long, baby.
Damn, you don't fuck with me no more. Damn, I don't wanna fuck no more. Bitch, ain't no calling my phone. Hell no slime, I don't wanna come push up. Late night, 12 o'clock. She say slime, I wanna run it up. I say, bitch, gonna suck these nuts. Yeah, you the whole wanna summer us. Yeah, you did. All the whole wanna summer kids. Who that slime, I'll get down. Beat the whole front of back, big backwood, bitch, yeah, back in the back. In the club, yeah, turned up. MJ got a couple back ends. Nigga wanna hit, come a rack in. Still hang nigga from back then. It don't matter, nigga ain't gon' change. My money running up right now. Your bitch wanna fuck right now. Lame ass nigga run it up right now. All these goddamn bucks right now. I got big buck, big shotgun, nigga, big buck. Side for the nigga up like what the fuck? Yeah, if your bitch wanna fuck, you didn't have a clue. Yeah, now, what you gon' do when the bitch not come through? What you gon' do when your bitch wanna come through? What you gon' do when the money comes through? See what the money make a bitch gon' do? Yeah, y'all some hang ass nigga. Yeah, y'all some lame ass nigga. Shade ass, pink ass, lame ass nigga. I fuck on your hoe. Damn, lame ass nigga didn't know. Damn. Anyway, anyway. Damn, you don't fuck with me no more. Damn, I don't wanna fuck no more. Bitch, ain't no calling my phone. Hell no slime, I don't wanna come push up. Late night, 12 o'clock. She say slime, I wanna ride your knock. I say, bitch, gonna suck these nuts. Hell yeah, you whole wanna summer rocks. Yeah, you did. All these hoes wanna summer kids. Who that slime ball get in? Beat the whole front of back, big in. Backwood, bitch, yeah, back in. In the club, yeah, turned up. MJ got a couple back ends. Nigga wanna hit, come a rack in. Still hang nigga from back then. Back to the day.